Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial in how to do bank reconciliation in Xero for inventory. As you know, you don't reconcile the inventory account itself. You reconcile the bank account and ensure that inventory expense and accounts payable, accounts receivable are correctly linked. Firstly, you click on Accounting and then on Bank Accounts. Since we don't have any transaction to reconcile, we'll create a new transaction by clicking on Manage Account and then on Spend Money. Once we insert all the necessary information, we'll click on Save.
Quick tip before we continue. When you're reconciling inventory payments, always double-check that the item code and inventory account match what's in your product list. If they don't, Xero might push the transaction into a regular expense instead of adjusting stock. And if you use prepayments or partially received purchase orders, make sure those are updated first. Otherwise, your reconciliations won't match and you'll end up hunting for differences later.
As you can see, there is on transaction with a status of unreconciled. We click on it, then there is an option which says Options, and next we'll click on Mark as Reconciled. And that's how we do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this. Thank you again.